This 2021 Bennington 22 SSRCX, priced at $1,795, offers a lot of value. With its beautiful cinnamon fencing and beige upholstery, it's both stylish and comfortable. Powered by a 115hp Yamaha engine, this pontoon has been recently serviced, including updates like a new water pump, spark plugs and propeller, making it ready to hit the water. Notable features include dual captain's chairs, an aluminum sheathed floor, and a bimini top for shade. The touchscreen SIMRAD system with fish finder and GPS adds great functionality for fishing enthusiasts. There's also a kicker sound system and ample storage throughout the boat. Additionally, a 2024 tandem axle trailer with electric brakes is available for $3,600 if needed. This boat is in excellent shape, and the price reflects a great deal for a well-maintained pontoon. Delivery is offered with or without the trailer.